Excessive overjet, or upper protrusion, is when the upper front teeth are ahead of the lower teeth. This is often referred to as buck teeth. To correct increased overjet, your dentist may fit you with a twin block or another functional appliance. This growth-modifying appliance redirects upper jaw growth, guides your lower jaw forward, and holds it there while the muscles adapt. Since your lower jaw is always growing, this appliance should be worn 24 hours a day. Your dentist may choose to use a headgear as an alternative to a functional appliance. Headgear is also an effective way to correct jaw relationships and align the teeth. The metal portion that fits into the bands on the back teeth is called the face bow. The portion that fits over the head is called the strap. The face bow and strap are attached with spring forces. The headgear will work best when worn as often as you can. It is very important you follow the recommendations of your dentist in order to achieve the best results in the least amount of time.